Shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the world's largest publicly traded crypto fund, are trading at a new record discount of 43% relative to the price of the underlying Bitcoin. Crypto analysts are speculating as to the reason, but the added pressure comes after Genesis Global Capital, an arm of digital currency group owner of Grayscale Investments, which manages GBTC, announced this week that it would halt customer withdrawals from its lending unit stemming from the fallout from the collapse of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX crypto empire. Grayscale Investments reassured investors on Wednesday that the Genesis was not a counterparty or service provider for any Grayscale product and that Grayscale products would continue to operate business as usual. For some investors, the recent widening of the discount may have made the vehicle even more attractive. Cathy Wood's ARK Investment Management bought more than 315,000 shares worth roughly $2.8 million of GBTC shares earlier this week. Ontario Teachers, one of Canada's largest pension funds with nearly $250 billion in assets under management, will write down the entirety of its $95 million investment in FTX after the troubled crypto exchange filed for bankruptcy protection. The fund said it invested $75 million in FTX International and its US entity FTX US in October 2021 and then another $20 million in FTX US in January of this year, according to a statement. The investments were made through Teachers' venture growth platform and represented less than 0.05% of the fund's total net assets, the statement added. The financial loss from this investment will have limited impact on the plan, given its size relative to our total net assets and our strong financial position, said Ontario Teachers. However, we are disappointed with the outcome of this investment, take all losses seriously, and will use this experience to further strengthen our approach. Genesis Block, a Hong Kong-based crypto service firm, announced on November 18th that it would discontinue over-the-counter trading services due to contagion risk from the now bankrupt FTX exchange. Genesis Block Trading is unrelated to digital currency groups Genesis Global Capital. We have ceased trading as we don't know which counterparties would fail next, so we would rather close out all our positions to regain some of our liquidity, as per Genesis Block Chief Executive Vincent Hug.